Hey guys, it's Jack Bull back here. I'm showing you my beast skills pixel gun. You know what it is? Well, if you don't know what it is for those people, well, it's a gun game where you shoot stuff and you have to kill the other people. So you get it down, become my friend, because if you become my friend, and I'm showing you my account. My account is called wait. He asked me, yeah, potato, yeah, potato. Oh, I don't want an account. Thank you. Yeah, I've got a golden acid cannon. I'm called Jack Splat in the 8x8 clan. Dirtface. Awesome clan. Guys, give me luck for this. I want to get one of these guns. It makes me like, well, I never get anything good. I got a weird ghost skin. Yes, an evil smile. Okay, should we watch the video, guys? Yeah, let's watch the video. Because, just guys, you can talk for a bit now. It's just going to be an ad for now. Because we don't want another trap, right? Just, I've got one tip. Never, always start on tickets now, because tickets are the thing that you least want out of the whole thing. Tickets and skins. Tickets. Well, they only get you to play mini games, and like I'll show you like. Oh god, I've got 271. I don't really want them. And oh yeah, let's see what pet we get. Guys, I'm gonna switch to my best guns because like these are just bad guns. Oh, I got an epic. I need to name him. Oh. Wait, can I name him? Oh, God, where is he? Let's rename... Oh, it's called Jeff already. I got Jeff back. Oh, yeah, I remember him. I used to have one where I kind of did something to him. Oh, yeah, I already had one. Poopy. Now, let's change our weapons because our weapons are really bad. I have our primary. We've got an impulse minigun. Yep. I'll back up. I use zombie blaster. My melee. Well, that's what I use for melee. Guys, tell me what you want me to use. Chainsaw. Hammer. Or the mythical candy. Tell me what you want. Write it down. I'm going to use candy today. Special, that's my special. It's epic. It shoots rockets and it's poison. So it can go through loads of people. Sniper, of course, is the prototype. I'm really good at the prototype. This one always kills me. The proton sniper rifle because it can burn people. So that's just really annoying. I've got heavy. I've got mega blasters. Guys, tell me if you want me to use alien cannon. Just request me a gun that you want me to use, and I'll save up to buy it. Oh, I don't want to buy anything. Anyways, have we got enough to evolve another one? Probably not. I don't like showing my stuff because it makes people see all my whole skin, and it'll look like they'll try and kill me while I can kill them. Let's do egg delivery because. Let's just play one game. Oh god. Okay. Just go off this for a minute. So guys, not in yet. I'm just gonna go back on it. Let's go back on our... Oh my god, I'm such a potato. Pig's gun is there! Right. Let's do random map. What map do we get? We get Toy Factory. Icicle minigun, and I've actually tried that out. It's not the worst gun in the world. It's not the best gun, but the Impulse minigun is like the same as it. Without the like 3 system, I think. Woo. Guys, do you want to hear my fidget spinner? Well, hear this. Stop it. Yeah, let's just do this. Okay, let's get into this. And pew, pew, pew. Boom, boom. My dog's the best dog, I think. Ouch. Cutie. I've got this one. Let's try and get some ultimate beast kills with this one. Ultimate beast kills. Beast kills. Beast kills. Beast kills. Yeah, guys, I'm like really good at this. Oh God. Still you. What? Charlie! Wow! God. My ears are good. Just wait a minute, guys. I'm coming. Okay, die up there. I want to assist. Well. Oh God, so shy. Okay, I'm sure there's some shooting. I want to make some slippy slime in there. I think his is a blue gun. Oh God. Oh no, guys. This is a fun game though, you should get it. If you can't get it, just get like these. Okay, fun games. Guys, do you want me to turn into a demon? Yes, you do. Batman. Okay, they're trying to get. No! Squish this! Oh God! What are you doing that for? What are you doing that for me? What are you doing that for? What are you doing that for me? What are you doing that for? Oh God, he just... I've got double jump boots, guys. Ooh! Look, boing. Boing. Oh God! Someone's trying to... Oh my God. My dog's hit the beast. Oh God. Winners, 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 chicken dinner. Yeah. Wow. I could say what for that. Tell me, guys, if you want me to do another video of Pixel Gun. Oh God. Yes! Yes! Maybe we should do something fun. Let's open chests! What's that fly doing? Open chest toy. It's just... Okay, no more cards. It's just... Just wait a minute, guys. I'm just going back. It's just time. Just time. Just time. Just time. Just time. Just time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just time. Just time. Yeah, yeah. Oh my God, I'm such a potato again. Just down. Yeah. We completed one button. Oh my god. The chest is gone. Wait. Where's the chest? Guys, you're in the... Oh, there it is. Don't be a poo. No! I hate these goddamn things. What does that gun? That looks like a beast gun. Please be lots of money. Oh, that's not much. I want 50 gems. I'm going to put it on something like that. That looks cool. And hopefully it'll give me something cool. A ninja tabby. Cool enough. Yes! That's so good. No, I hate these tickets. Guys, so if you want me to do another video. Anyway, should we just go and buy something because we're rebels? We're just gonna... What? 7 happy. Shovel heads. Guys, we need to save up quite a bit here. Right. What's that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys, we definitely... Where's these people here? No, way what? Like, I need to cook things. That's poisonous. We got a laser. Got quite a lot. Oh my god. Really? Dracula. Oh my god. Guys. Fidget power. Oh, look at this. This is not bad guns. These sounds get over the price of that. Guys, this is actually a really good weapon because it burns people. Want me to buy it? Say yes. Oh no. Oh, they want me to buy this thing. Hopefully if I can. Let's see what else we have. The love spell. The exterminator. What's this? The inflator. Cool. That's cool, man. Plasma bell. I mean, this. It's a shotgun. Marksman, nice. Let's see how I do like poopy gadgets. Fake. What is out for that? That was cool. Whoa. Don't be. Whoa, that's cool. Whoa. Moving. Nice. Guys, request me what you want me to get. So. Sorry, I'm going to do another video tomorrow, but it's the end of this video. Bye! Bye, guys.